Here are a few last-minute gift ideas as we're in the final days of December. Make sure to check the description for links to everything in this video. The Dayton Audio WBA31 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth audio receiver makes wireless, multi-room streaming easy. The unit supports the Dayton Audio Hi-Fly app for the ability to control streaming options and playback control via your mobile device. Need to take a TV or computer monitor far away from its source? You need an HDMI extender, and this one lets you carry 4K video up to 230 feet away using a simple Cat6 cable. Portable, powerful, and fun, the easy-to-assemble Blastbox portable Bluetooth wireless speaker kit allows you to take high-output, hi-fi sound with you wherever you go. December's big giveaway is still going on now, so if you want to enter for a chance to win over $3,200 worth of gear from B&C Speakers, check the description of this video to find the link and enter today. Happy holidays to you from everyone here at Parts Express.